A pleasant good day, Mom and Sir. I am Maria Corazon Gabriel Bison, fourth year college level course of BSBA HRM from Manila School. I am 44 years old, single parent, and I'm proud having 3 kids, raising by myself. My eldest son was already 19 years old, and my second son was 14 years old. And lastly, my youngest Unika Iha was 8 years old. My previous work experience was babysitter at Kuwait. My employers there was newlywed couple and only one child. That was November 20, 2021 up to March 14, 2023. And my current work experience here at our province, Pangasinan, Philippines was housekeeping staff from the hospital private. Date started on August 12, 2024 up to February 12, 2025. After 6 months and contract there, I am hands-on to my kids, taking care, sending, and fetching them to the schools, and by driving them using our tricycle service. And I know also how to drive 4 wheels also as well. I am gladly hoping and pray to be part of your family circle soon. I promise to finish my contract and obey your do's and don'ts regulation towards your culture. You will never be regret, ma'am and sir, if you would rather choose me because I am dedicated, kind, hardworking, and mostly trusted person that I am. Thank you so much and Godspeed.